Hi children, good morning. I hope you all are reading the readers, right? So please, if you are reading a reader, then it's easy to read any books, any newspapers, any article, any stories. So day by day, just you read a lessons. Okay. Now we'll start a lesson 5th year sense organs for 3rd standard. Date 21st of August, Friday. Already in our last class we studied about 5 sense organs. There are 5 sense organs: eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Is it? Deeply we studied about eyes, ears and nose. Now it's time to know about our tongue. Your sense of taste. Your sense of taste. Taste means tongue part. Understood? 4th sense organ will study about tongue. You are eating different types of food, is it? You are eating idli, dosa, vada, maggi, roti, chapati, curries, brinjal curry, lady's finger. Is it? Different type of fried rice, vegetable rice, ghee rice, chicken, mutton, fish, whatever you are eating, chips, biscuits, bread. Any items you are eating means it is having a different taste. Is it? If you are eating chips, it is also having a different taste. Some chips are salty. Some chips are sour. It is made up of lemon. Okay. And some chips are spicy. You are doing no? Because it's too spicy. They sprinkled a chili powder on the chips. Okay. And if you are drinking that lemon means that lemon juice, it is too sour. You are doing now, it's too sour. Bitter taste. Bitter means what? The item you are eating, no, that tastes like a bitter. Example, vegetable as bitter gourd. Is it? And the tablets and the syrup, it is a bitter taste. We find that it is a bitter. Okay, these are all the different types of taste. How we find the taste? With the help of tongue. We find the different taste by the help of tongue. Okay, the tongue and the roof of your mouth are covered with thousands of tiny taste buds when you are eating something. The saliva in your mouth helps to break down the food. This makes your taste buds send information to the brain. Your brain then tells you the taste of flavor or the food you are eating. Amazing, isn't it? Yes. The taste of buds play important role part in helping you to enjoy the many flavors of food. Your taste bud can recognize 4 basic kinds of taste: sweet, salty, sour and bitter. The salty and sweet taste buds are located near the front of your tongue. The sour taste bud lines the side of your tongue and the bitter taste buds are found at the back of your tongue. See the picture they drawn here. Tongue, See here. Salty. Sour. At last is bitter. Okay. This is just a little shape of a tongue. Just you see, you are having a small, see, tiny, what it is, pores are there, see. A small tiny pores on the tongue, so like this. This we call it as taste buds. What we call? Taste buds. Okay. These points are the taste buds. Taste buds. This taste bud help us to taste the different flavors of food, different types of food, whatever we are eating, it will give a different types of flavor. It may be a sweety, it may be a salty, or it may be a sour, or it may be a bitter, or it may be a spicy. Is it? Different types of flavor. If you are drinking a lemon juice, here we get a sour taste. By this part we come to know that it is a sour, the lemon juice is sour. If you are eating a jamun, jangir, Mysore pak, whatever the sweet items we are eating, no? Here we get the taste, sweetie, it is a sweetie, very tasty. Okay. Next, bitter. We are eating a bitter. Means we are taking a medicine or syrup, whatever we are drinking, no? When we are ill. That time, here we come to know that is bitter. Next is salty. When you are eating a chips. Okay. When you are eating a pickle. That is a salty. We come to know here the taste buds are there, no? By this we come to know it is a salty. Okay, these are the taste buds help us to find the different flavors of food. And the saliva in our mouth, saliva, we are splitting, no? We should not split here and there. That part, that we call it as saliva. What we call? Saliva. What we call here? See the different types of here. Page number 224. See. This is page number 224. See the different parts is there. Okay. See. Okay. Here saliva. Saliva part is a help us to break down the food. To break down the food into a small pieces. Is it? We are eating roti, chapati, dosa, idli or upma, sweets, whatever we are eating or chips. That it will help us to cut the food into small pieces. But the saliva help us to chew the food with saliva like a water. We are doing chutney for idli, no? We are pouring a water into that coconut. Like that only, then we will grind in a mixture. Same like that, in our mouth, we are taking our food means the saliva part will help us to mix the food inside our mouth. Means it helps us, the food that is chewing with our teeth and it will mix us. It is like a water. That saliva part help us to mix the food, then only we can swallow easily. It goes easily throughout the food pipe inside and then it enters to the stomach. This is all about our tongue. How should we take care of our tongue? See now, we would daily when we are brushing our teeth, while brushing our teeth, we should clean our tongue with a brush. Is it? We should clean our tongue daily. Understood? We should not take any scissors or needle or anything just to pinch there. Don't do like that, okay? And always by tongue cleaner. You are having no tongue cleaner in your house? It is like this shape. See, this is a tongue cleaner shape. Hold here and we should clean our tongue. Or with the brush, you should clean our tongue. If you are not cleaning our tongue, we are not getting any flavors of food. We can't find that as the flavor of food. This is all about our tongue. So next, we go for skin. Skin. Skin is a sense organ. This is a last sense organ we'll study about here. Skin. We'll study about our skin. Your sense of touch. What do you mean by skin? See, your sense of sight, hearing, smell or taste are found different specific parts of our body. Means ear, eyes, nose and tongue are the specific different parts of sense organs. But skin gives a sense of touch. It gives a sense of touch. See, I am touching here. Yes, my hand, the right hand is touching through the left hand, touching to the left hand. I am beating for the left hand. I come to know, that right hand is beating to left hand. I am pinching here, see. Then I come to know that my right hand is pinching to left hand. Then I can feel this hand is pinching to left hand. I can feel. If I am touching a hot vessels while cooking, we are doing now, I can feel that it is a hot. If we are holding a ice cube, we can feel that it is a cold. Is it? That is a sense of touch. Sense of touch. How see? It is an amazing organ. It covers our body. The skin is covering our body. Okay. All around the world, you are also protecting your internal organs. Your skin has two layers, the outer epidermis and the inner epidermis. The skin is having a two layers. First is outer epidermis. Next, second is inner epidermis. These are the two layers of skin. Two layers of skin. Two layers of skin. Outer epidermis and the inner epidermis. The skin is covering our body and it is protecting our internal parts of our body. Okay. And first, when your skin touch something, the nerve is dermis carry the information to the brain, whereas the feeling is recognized. See. The outer epidermis means, if I am touching, example, it is a hot part, I am touching this hot, I am doing like this, no? This hot part send a message to the brain. Then I can feel that it is a hot. That is a outer epidermis. Okay, and your skin can tell you if something is hot or cold, it can tell you if there is a pain or pressure. It keeps you warm and cool according to the weather. Your skin has many tiny pores on the outside, so dust and germs can make their way into your bodies through them. See, our skin is having a small pores. Our skin is having a small pores. Why we are having a small pores? Because outside the dust part, it will sit on that small pores. For that sake only we are taking a bath daily. If we are not taking bath daily means that the dust particles enters in our body. It will damage our body. We are getting irritation. We are getting a pimples here, or we are getting here, or we are getting on here, or back, or on stomach, or on hand. Is it? So, we should take bath daily to keep our skin clean and tidy. Understood? Then, how to take care of our skin? As usual, we should take bath daily. While having a meal, we should wash our hands. After meal, we should wash our hands. And we should we should wear a good and clean clothes. We should wash our clothes daily. Then only we are not getting irritated. We feel comfortable if we are wearing a clean clothes. Understood? When it's a summer season, we should wear a cotton clothes to keep our skin and body cool. In winter, we should wear a woolen clothes to keep our body warm. Understood? These are how to protect our skin. Okay, this is the end of the lesson, ear sense organs. Just you go through the reader and just once you read and then you come to know what about the sense organs. Thank you.